What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to Jason's cottage. Well, like not his cottage, his family's, but like you got the point. Oh, it's probably super windy right now, but I got to Jason's and we're going boating now. Yeah. First thing this guy says to me is like, so I get in, he's like, hey, wanna go boating? No, your dad. My dad said that. Yeah, your dad said that. Now we're gonna go jump off these rocks.
Jump. Weak. I'm bored. I'm leaving now. Let's go home. Go.
Like right now?
Like right now. Yay!
My feet, I forgot to...
Sunset. Bam. Dude, you go on the other side, swamp, 20 nests, big nests, like this big.
20 what kind of nests?
Eagles.
There's eagle nests here, you heard it.
Or like the deadly hawks, you know, the ones that could eat your dog?
I don't have a dog.
Shameen, you know your small dog? Oh my god, I did not know you were there. I thought you were the bench. We're eating for a snack.
Jason, do you want to teach me how to drive? Look at how tall he is.
I'm the tree.
Look at that silhouette right there.
I don't know that word.
If you jump in, you'll be in the vlog. Let's drive, boys.
You run me over with that, I kill you.
Jason, where's the gas pedal? Hope you enjoyed that montage. Boating lessons 101 with Jason.
Steering wheel goes left, steering wheel goes right, and gas is right there. Far away from the islands, because the rocks come out far.
Rocks. I feel like a legend, boy. So the title is We Hijacked a Boat. Except, no, it's gonna be I hijacked a boat because I hijacked the boat from Jason. Do you approve of this message? Did I hijack
Anything you say.
Did I hijack the boat from you? Because I'm driving now.
I neither approve nor deny.
Say yes so I don't get blamed for clickbait.
Alright.
We got the thumbnail because I definitely hijacked a boat. You almost fell up. Okay, if you're gonna fall off, you have to tell me. The one rule of Nolan's boat, boy. There's a lot of stuff planned for tomorrow. This is gonna be a bit of a short vlog. But
lots of sick edits, a monovlog.
Monovlog?
I don't know what they're called.
It's a monovlog. It's a montage and a vlog. We're gonna dock the boat now. We got Kyle to do it.
Yo, watch this ball, it looks so cool.
So we're gonna go have dinner now. I'm trying to make an entry in the vlog. You're like a ninja. Okay, dinner now. We're gonna go have. I'm gonna scare them.
Guys, dinner's ready.
Okay, dinner's ready. Okay.
No, it's not. Oh my god. I scared you. Okay, that wraps up today's vlog. See you in the next one.